Presenting Honor Magicbook X14 in the color space gray. The 11th Gen Intel Core i5-1135G7 processor and Intel Iris X graphics, making it perfect for your office and study needs. It is pre-loaded with Windows 11 Home 64-bit. It has 8GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD RAM for effective multitasking. This laptop comes with a 65-watt Type-C power adapter and has a battery life up to 9.9 hours. Honor Magicbook X14 has premium aluminium metal body with 15.9mm thickness, 4.8mm narrow bezels, and the weight of the laptop is only 1.38 kilograms, which allows you to carry it easily. It has 14 inches Full HD Full View IPS anti-glare screen and has support of TUV Rheinland low blue light certification, flicker-free certification. It protects your eyes at all times and your eyes will no longer be fatigued when working. The 2-in-1 fingerprint power button saves you the trouble of entering passwords, and the 720p HD pop-up camera with privacy mode always protects your privacy. It also comes with backlit keyboard that allows you to type comfortably even in low light and dark conditions.